Good day and welcome back. Today I'll be repairing this mirror because the folding in and out action doesn't work. So right, let's get on with it. So I've got this mirror apart now, and this little copper tang is the thing that has come out of the original action. So I've got to glue this back in place and then put it all back together again. Let's do it. So just testing out the mirror that I have just repaired. It was to do with the folding mirrors, if they go in and out or not. So I've had to take my Skyline apart so I can test the mirror that's just been repaired. So here we go. Let's put folds in beautifully and out again. Sweet. That's what I call a good repair. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.